Hello, hello. Well, this is my first time that I'm doing this, even though it's not my first language, English. I'm learning along with you guys. It's the night shift shawl, and it's bind off. The instruction of bind off it seems like a bit confused at the beginning when we're reading, but at the end it's very clear. Because due to it's not my first language, English, and it's hard for me. I have to go back and read and read and read. But then at the end, I understood what she was trying to explain. D for the first yarn color, you knit 2, and then tog K2 tog from TBL behind, and then slip 3 stitch back to the other needle side, and then repeat with the second color the same thing. Knit 2, K2 tog TBL from the back, and then slip to the other needle and repeat again with the other, go back to the first color. So I'm gonna try and show you the steps. Bear me, it's the first time that I'm doing this, so it's not really anyway. Okay, so we're going to start with this because this is the purple one, the lilac purple one. We're going to go with the peachy. Knit 2, 1, 2, and then you K2 tog from the back. You take 2, 1, 2, slip, and voila. 1, 2, 3. So you slip 3. 1, 2, 3. You change the other color thread, yarn, and then you repeat again. Knit 2, 1, 2, and then K2 tog from behind. So let's take this, and you do like that. Then you have 1, 2, 3, slip, slip, slip the 3. Then you change the color. You knit again. 1, 2, and then K2 tog from behind through, and then you have 3. You slip 1, 2, oops, voila. You slip 1, 2, 3. Then you go with the other color, purple. Knit twice, 1, 2, and then K2 tog from behind, 1, 2, go through, and then you slip 1, 2, 3, and then you go on and on and on until the end. I'm almost finished, but it looks like this, the results. Look how nice it is. This is what it looks like, the bind off of night shift shawl. Thanks for watching.